Welcome back to Alpha Drop. My name is Ron,
Martin here.
and we have some airdrop updates and claims that we want to share with you guys.
Nice to see you guys again. Hope you had an amazing week.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're back.
We're back. So, first...
Yes, this is exciting.
This is exciting.
Okay.
Now, we're talking about Backwoods, and their open alpha ended 2 weeks ago. So, if you were playing the game before, you weren't able to earn points. But now, the beta is live. So this is the next stage of their Leaf token airdrop. You can play the game, but this is completely different from the system that happened in the last stage. So if we go to the leaderboard, you can see there are 2 leaderboards for you to check here. Now, for the beta, I already noticed that they're implementing this progression system. So how you're going to be wanting to get the most out of this, how you want to be farming this really is to progress with the season pass. Okay, so with the season pass, you'll get these rewards, which are in-game materials, which you can use to craft items or even like actually mostly craft items, but you can also sell for mock leaf, and you can use mock leaf. We'll talk about this piece of shit later on.
Yes.
Mock leaf. So but a summary of the new features that they're adding is adventure mode. So now it seems like there is no like a set game for you to play. It's very you can tell that there are missions for you to do. So if you go to
There's an entire map now. We played this game a little bit.
yeah,
What's that?
the volume is the in-game volume. So you can see that there are multiple maps.
Is it too loud for them?
No, just right. I think it's too
Okay.
loud for us. Okay. So you can see this is the first map, and the power is actually from your character's power. So if you haven't played this game already, you can definitely play this now that Forgotten Runes is still down.
Yeah. This is the time pass activity.
The time pass activity. So the power is basically the stats of your character. So you can get more power from the stats that you'll get from items or in-game equipments. My thought here is that, hey, I feel like they're focusing a lot now on in-game stats. So I think it would make perfectly good sense to purchase their in-game NFT. Now, this is not financial advice. It's up to you if you want to do that. You can still farm the game completely for free with no NFTs. But I want to make the most out of this. That's why I went ahead and sold my num profits because it 3x. So I took about a quarter of that and bought just the floor of the Backwoods NFT. And actually, I should have done this last week when the floor was at 1.3. Now it's surging up because the beta opened up. So I think these people that are buying up the NFTs are sensing the same thing, that maybe this phase where the beta is at, a lot of focus is being made towards in-game NFTs.
And you can still stake your NFT, right?
Exactly, yes. You can stake your NFTs to get points. And you can actually see my points are going up by the second, right? I'd say the big perk, though, is unlocking the season pass. So if you've played any video games, how they keep you into their ecosystem is by having a season pass. You grind the game, and then you get these rewards by by leveling up your season pass. So you can immediately just get the free ones. But you can also go for the premium ones. And you can actually unlock this for as little as 0.05 Solana tokens, which is still relatively
It's a good price.
cheap. Yeah.
It's a good price.
Solana.
It's nice to know that they're actually making money now, right?
Yeah.
Because before we were like, oh, how do they even make money? Blah, blah,
No,
blah.
I could tell they were making money from their NFTs.
Yeah, but just that, right? But now it's like
Partnerships, they have a lot. So it's roughly $7 right now, based on 0.05 Sol to unlock the premium season pass. And I think if you really want to be farming this, having the premium season pass is worth it, because you unlock the mock leaves, you unlock these in-game materials that you will need to repair your equipments as well. So later on, you'll see you'll notice that as you use these games in game, your durability goes down. So you need to repair them. Otherwise, if this reaches 0, you won't be able to reap from these stats. But if you are a hardcore gamer and if you can dodge all the attacks in the game, you won't really need these equipments. But it's definitely shown a big difference in terms of in-game performance, because when I put on this armor, I take a lot less damage. All right, so their sales definitely, they have definitely a lot more avenue when it comes to their sales, because much like other games, don't underestimate this. There are pay-to-win players out there who will just buy whatever they can so that they can get to the top of the list. So this is their in-game store where you can purchase with crystals for materials, for high-end equipments, in-game tokens. And these crystals, you can buy them here at home. Hold on. Where did it go? Crystals here. Assets crystals. So 100 USDC is the most expensive one for 12,000 crystals. No, 100 USDC. So that's like $783. Pretty much similar to how you would buy like a pack in League of Legends. So it's not that bad. But you don't need to spend money on this if you want to farm this. But I think the very least that you can do if you want to be spending time on this is to unlock the premium season pass to have the most advantage, right? Because later on, you go to quests, you'll be gaining these XPs, and that's how you'll be leveling up your season pass. So it does require you to come in every day to grind XP. That's usually how season pass progression works anyways. And also, another tip that you can do is, because Backwoods is an official partner now with Backpack Exchange, they're incentivizing you to make a backpack wallet in order to get crystals. So you'll get 100 crystals if you log in with Backpack Wallet. Now, if you've been using Phantom Wallet like myself, what you can do is you can just import your Phantom Wallet into the Backpack Wallet. So they're essentially the same trick as we did for Particle Network, essentially. Then you'll get that crystals, okay? All right, you know what to do. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is Ron.
Martin.
Anana.
Peace.